Half Lord of the Fishes pose, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Unlike symmetrical flexion or extension poses where both sides of the body work together, this pose, like all twisting poses, creates an asymmetrical condition in which the two sides of the body work completely differently, and structures on the two sides of the body are drawn in opposite directions. In passive rotation, the oblique abdominals are not involved in rotating the spine. Hand against leg resistance facilitates rotation. The oblique abdominals are free and slightly stretched. In contrast, during active rotation, without hand support, rotation is performed by the oblique abdominals. Lack of support of the upper leg will activate the oblique abdominals. Note, the oblique abdominals will stretch more in passive rotation when the hand supports the upper leg, while inhaling and elevating the ribs. Stretching the muscle group that rotates the thigh laterally. Difficulty in moving the upper leg past the lower leg as a result of shortened thigh abductors. Solution: place the foot slightly forward. Placing the foot forward alleviates the difficulty resulting from shortened hip abductors. In addition, the further away the foot is, the more the pelvis will rotate forward and the less rounded the lower back will be. The aim is to create rotation with an erect back, with the pelvis rotated slightly forward.